Okay, here's the solution to the higher level physics paper 2019 question 2. Optics, concave lenses. No, sorry, mirrors. So they're setting it up, they're doing the focal length of a concave mirror. They first found the approximate focal length, and then they replaced it and did lots of experiments. Okay, so how did the student find the approximate focal length of the mirror? By what am I trying to say? It's the distant object thing. How do I want to phrase this? By focusing the image of a distant object on the screen and measuring the distance from the mirror to the screen. Okay, part 2. Why did the student find the approximate focal length at the start of the experiment? They did this to know the minimum distance to place their objects inside the focal length will not produce a real image on the screen. So it's not like we do in class to reverse engineer and find out where the screen should be. No, not at all. Okay, describe with the aid of a label diagram how the position of the image was found. Okay, so labels diagram. Okay, so we are going to have a ray box. I'm going to have crosshairs. Mirror. Put the etching on the back to show that it's a mirror. And then we are going to have the screen. Okay, so setup as shown. Move the screen in and out until a sharp image is formed. Measure object mirror distance. Measure image mirror distance. Repeat for different U's. Okay, what time are we at? 3 minutes 55. Loads of time to go. Grand. State 2 precautions. State 2 precautions that should be taken when measuring V. Okay, measure to the center of the mirror, or the back of the mirror if possible. Ensure image is as sharp as possible. Be aware of parallax when reading the ruler, and only have to give 2. Is there anything else? That's probably it. Use all the data to calculate the focal length of the mirror. Okay, so here we go. Right, so the formula we're using, hopefully you know this one, 1 over u plus 1 over v is equal to 1 over f. All right, so we have 1 over 20 plus 1 over 61. It's going to equal 1 over f. 1 over 20 plus 1 over 61. So that equals 81 over 1220, which tells me that f, and I can use my nice inverse button here, is 15.06 centimeters. Okay, I'm going to do 1 over 30 plus 1 over 29.5 is equal to 1 over 30 plus 1 over 29.5, invert that, and I get a value of 14.87. So that, just by the way, was 119 over 1770. 1 over 40 plus 1 over 24. Oh. Plus 1 over 24. 1 over 15. F is 15. I can do that one in my head. I'm so smart. 1 over 50 plus 1 over 20.5. Sorry, not keeping up with you here. Can't do this one in my head. 20, 50, invert that. Gives me an F of 14.54, and then I find the average. 14.87 centimeters on average. What's the marking scheme say? Far off, 14.9. Yep, I like that.